vlog, and this vlog, as the title may have already told you, is all about a birthday glow up. I want to do a bunch of things that I do generally, but I want to do a couple of things a little bit extra. A few things at home on my own, a few things at the salon. We'll split things up, but I want this to be a very special birthday glow up. We are thinking of coloring hair this month after 4 years. My hair is pretty much virgin hair right now. Let me not ruin the order of things for you in this vlog, but just know that there's a lot on my mind that I want to do. I want to spoil myself. I want to pamper myself. Very rarely do I tell myself, babe, you deserve it. But this month I'm telling myself, babe, you deserve it. And so I'm taking you along with me. First things first, as I always do, I don't think any of my glow up videos start without my nails being done. You know what? I got a lot of compliments on these nails, like these pink and white floral nails, but they're so not my usual style. They're very well done. Jyoti at Paintbox truly did a very fab job, which is literally where I'm headed now for my appointment. But they're just not my usual style. But I'm glad I tried something different. Also, in typical blogger style, I have brand commitments coming up, and as usual they need me to have classic nude or French nails kind of a thing. A lot of brands actually have that mandate, in case you didn't know. And so I'm gonna go back to something a little bit more me, a little bit more my aesthetic for my birthday, which also of course then coincides with all my brand commitments that I have out there. So first things first, shall we head to the salon? Let's go. I'm back home and I feel like myself. Nude nails are so me, and I've also realized that this shape is my absolute sweet spot. They're basically almond meets roundish as a shape, and they're not like sharp, they're not like fully almond, they're not stilettos for sure. Also, they are pretty long at the moment, but I will probably go shorter. The reason I didn't go shorter this time, as you can see, is because in the middle I had completely chopped my nails off during Ramzan, and so I had to put extensions. There's this little tip left. Once that's done, I can go a lot shorter. Because now if I went shorter, I wouldn't get the shape that I wanted. So there was a little bit of that balance that needed to be done. But I am so happy that I'm going back to feeling like myself with the nails. It's really silly, but nails can really make me feel like picked up. You know what I mean? While I went to the salon for the nails, there's something I did for my hair. I have really truly been taking so much of care of my hair. So let's do a quick hair products update check-in. When I tell you I'm excited for this particular hair check-in, I absolutely mean it. I'm gonna give you 2 solid reasons why I'm really excited to do this first impressions for this particular product with you. Number 1, this is a brand that I have loved and used, and you have heard me talk about for so long. Just knowing that they wanted to work with me to test out this new product was like, yes, please. Secondly, the product they wanted me to try out was actually recommended to me by a friend. So it kind of is a full circle moment. Is there a bathroom echo? I think there might be a little bit of a sound echo. So just a little bit of a disclaimer there, giving you a look of what my hair looks like at the moment. Let me not leave you in suspense and tell you about the product I'm trying today with you. Scalp serums have come back into trend, have been all the rage lately, and I'm about to try a night scalp serum from L'Occitane. Now, L'Occitane is a brand that you guys have heard me talk about, and you know what some of my favorites from the brands are. I'll pop some pictures on the screen right now if you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm also going to leave links to those favorites along with this one down below in the description section, so definitely go check that out. I want to go ahead and try this out because I actually had a friend tell me I should try it when I was talking about, you know, things to help boost the moisture on my scalp, things to boost hair growth, just nice things to do for the scalp. For hair, I think a lot of us tend to do quite a bit. The scalp sometimes tends to get left behind. Okay, just as expected, this is the first time I'm seeing this, so this is an honest first impressions. This packaging is giving a luxe. I absolutely love it. Very on brand for the brand. Let's go ahead and try it out. This is a first impressions, so I don't mind doing a recheck-in on using this consistently over the next few weeks. So let me know if you want me to do that down below in the comments. But let's go ahead and try this out right now.
To start off with, let's shake the bottle because even though this is a scalp serum, there are oil bubbles inside it to deliver the maximum result. It's really easy to use this. All you have to do is take the dropper and go ahead and drop it on your scalp and massage it in with the help of your fingertips. This formula comes with niacinamide, provitamin B5, prebiotics, and the classic L'Occitane Immortelle essential oil, which is 2 times more effective than vitamin E. This helps create a beautiful protective barrier on the scalp skin. This is something you can use regularly at night, and you shouldn't need maybe 2 or 3 complete droppers for your entire scalp depending on your hair thickness, scalp size, and things like that. This product is clinically proven to give you 88% healthier looking hair and scalp, and 100% of the people who tested it out in this clinical trial felt the natural balance of the scalp seeming restored. 93% of the people even felt that the serum improves the global quality of hair. I think that this sounds like an absolute winner. Oh, and I have to add, this didn't make my hair or scalp chip, and I did not need a hair wash the next day.
I'm so excited to be partnering up with L'Occitane for the first time. Voiceover Anam has definitely already given you a little bit of a synopsis of my experience, as well as what this lands up like the next morning, because you can do that while editing. I'm so grateful to be able to partner up with L'Occitane. Thank you for sponsoring a small portion of this particular video. If you want to go get your hands on this product, I'm going to leave a discount code for you on the screen right now. Definitely go click on the links down below in the description section and check them out. Let's get back to the rest of the birthday glow up now. Look who's home, and what is his first question to me? Why are you panting? Why did you come home like that?
I came running.
You came running?
Yeah.
Why?
To see your nails. Husbands, please take note.
I don't know why you're so fascinated with my nails all the time.
Because you are.
I love my nails.
I love your nails.
But
too.
they're simple, huh?
Show me. Very nice.
He is so cute. He's
Alright.
always like asking me what my...
It's matching your dress.
Yes, my shirt.
Yes.
It's by me, no?
Yes, it is. The last one wasn't.
Yeah, I love you. Okay, if I look like I have a little less energy today, it's because I do. I haven't slept very well. The migraines have really gotten to me. So if you see a little bit of a dip in energy over here, I just want to give you a little bit of a disclaimer why. But I am not going to let this dampen the spirits for this glow up because I'm really excited for what's coming next. I have a couple of disclaimers to give you. Number one, I started off with the whole hair color thing thinking that I'm going to give myself a complete hair makeover. I was thinking global highlights, no bleach. We all know my relationship with bleaching hair. If you've been following me long enough, and the whole hair accident that happened in 2020. If you don't, I will leave a link to that post down below in the description section. You definitely need to check that out. So I'll tell you where I am right now. I'm thinking I don't want to go crazy. I'm super toned. I don't want to color my hair for the heck of it. I'll tell you my main concern, my main concern. And this is going to sound surprising because I've always been super comfortable with a few grays that I have at the back. Like there's this little corner somewhere inside where I have like 5 or 6 grays. They go up and down every now and then. I want to conceal those. That's the main reason I want to color my hair. So I'm thinking maybe I can just do an all global. It'll give me a new look. It'll conceal the grays. But at the same time, I'm like, I've seen so many references, and I'll throw some of them up on the screen right now. None of them are particularly calling out to me either. So I'm just gonna let voiceover Anam at the salon come in, take over, because I'm gonna head to the salon now, and I'll tell you what I eventually decide. Because frankly, I'm also very torn. Tell me what you think I should do in the comments by the end of this little hair glow up segment, okay? Because on one hand, I'm thinking just go brunette and a nice hazel brown, and then the other side of me is saying don't do anything till you're fully convinced about it. Okay, I'm gonna let Voice and I'm from the salon take over. क्या हुआ?
वो स्प्लिट एंड क्लिप
हाँ, सच्ची नहीं दिख रहे मेरे को। नहीं, लेकिन मेरे को काटना नहीं।
स्प्लिट एंड चढ़ जाएंगे ऊपर, क्या करोगी?
ट्रिम करना है,
करेंगे।
लेकिन मेरे को अगर ट्रिम करना है मेरे को एकदम लाइक
हाय मैम, कैसी हो?
कैसे हो आप? मैं ठीक हूँ। हाँ, एक्चुअली बहुत ही टाइम बाद। सिर्फ ग्रेस कलर करेंगे ना, पूरा थोड़ी कलर करेंगे। तो पूरे बाल को करेंगे,
तो एक एक बार भी नहीं हो पाएगा।
तो पूरे ग्लोबल करेंगे अपन।
ग्लोबल मतलब हाफ भी चाहिए तो कर सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है ये ऐसे।
क्योंकि मेरे को बाल को वर्जिन ही छोड़ना है जितना हो सके।
वर्जिन कलर
तो वर्जिन इन द सेंस के जो जितना रह सकता है।
ये देखो, ये तुम्हारा
लेकिन तुम्हारा कलर भी मैच ना, एग्जैक्ट लाइक ब्लैक। क्योंकि मैं कभी ग्रेज नहीं कवर कर रही हूँ ना पहले।
Okay, so first things first, तो Anu explained to me how the overall color process happens when you're trying to conceal your grays. यहाँ पे apparently आप सिर्फ grays को color नहीं कर सकते हैं. You have to go ahead and do a full global. Basically जो मुझे अपने बाल को virgin छोड़ने थे जितना, that is not possible. You have to go ahead and color it evenly all over. Also, if you land up doing a fashion color, some grays can land up looking transparentish because some grays can be stubborn, is what she explained to me. This was my first time ever doing this, which is why it was a major learning experience. And like I said, मैं completely convinced नहीं थी कोई और कलर के बारे में, तो मुझे अपने आप को फोर्स बिल्कुल नहीं करना था to जबरदस्ती go ahead and color my hair in some other shade altogether. We opted for a base normal neutral black shade. I was in for a rude shick shack shock because turns out I didn't just have 5-6 grays. ये ऐसे एंगल पे थे जहाँ पे मुझे completely नहीं दिखता कि कितने grays थे. Now keep in mind my brother started graying when he was like I think 19. On my mom's side of the family, early graying is very very common. Considering a combination of both sides of my genes, I actually think not bad starting to gray like this at around 33. I don't know. I have friends who've grayed in their teens as well, like my brother and my mom's side of the family. But I'm giving you the whole deep on what exactly it was like. All in all, we went ahead, started to prepare the color. Ye color, like I said, global ki tarah hota hai. So she applied it all over my hair. The waiting time for this entire thing was around 35 to 40 minutes. So literally there was nothing for me to do for those 45 to 40 minutes. I snoozed, I chilled, my phone battery was low. I forgot to take my battery pack. It was an interesting time nonetheless, but I'm glad I went ahead and did it like this. You're about to see the final results, so don't forget to tell me what you think in the comments.
अरे पिंकी है। कैसी है? अलग लग रही है। क्या किया? ये अलग लग रही है। क्या अलग लग रहा है? कुछ तो अलग लग रहा है, क्या किया? Love. It's not bad. Thank you. Neck. Neck. I'm home and I love the simplicity of it. I'm kind of really glad that I opted to stick to something this natural because I just wasn't able to make up my mind on what I wanted to do otherwise. And so I'm glad I just stuck to the basics. Sometimes it's the best thing you can do for yourself. Recently I did my brows and upper lip, but I haven't done my face in a while and I've started to feel it really bother me. Like if you start dermaplaning on a regular basis, I'm going to take my rings off because I don't want the oil to get up in my rings. If you do dermaplane often and once you get into it, you will truly start to see the difference in the way your skin is like, it just becomes such a smooth canvas when you do it often. There are 2 or 3 blades that I really like from a couple of different brands. So I'll leave links for you down below in the description section. I promise you it is going to change your life. I am not very hairy, so I have to start off with kind of giving you that little piece of information. Do with it what you will. But because I wear makeup as often as I do, can you see these? इसको हम पता है उर्दू में हम इनको रुएं बोलते हैं, बाल की रुएं, जैसे बच्चे पे होती है न्यूबॉर्न चाइल्ड के ऊपर कैसी पतली पतली बाल होती है. That's how I have on my face over here. And there's definitely not been any increase in growth or whatever ever since I started dermaplaning. I remember the first time I told my mom and my dad even that I use a razor on my face, and they were like, "नहीं उससे बाल बढ़ते हैं," and I'm like, "कुछ नहीं होता." I have been doing this for years now. I just used a face oil. You can use a heavy cream. Oils are actually best because they really moisturize your face. I'm careful now about the way I do my sideburns because काफी time के लिए बीच में I used to completely take off my sideburns, but that was not a good idea, to be honest. I've learned my lesson. I'm just grazing over at an angle. I'm not keeping it straight. It's not a butter knife toast situation, just at an angle. Gently. And the skin, I have a tissue over here. I've switched over to bamboo tissues, by the way, in the house, which are really nice and have very high absorption also, I have to say. It just feels so nice, the skin, right after. Makeup goes on really smoothly as well. There is a considerable difference, truly. Can you see all this? I'm going to be disgusting and show you all these things that otherwise aren't aesthetic enough to show online. But like, it is what it is. If I'm looking to groom myself and give myself that glow up, I'm gonna get down and dirty. You know what I mean? Having said that, on that note, I should also mention that I have already taken care of my shaving down under. Again, I can leave a couple of shaving blade options because I feel like being clean everywhere and hygienic everywhere is super important to me. And I shave my whole body like once a month, and then sometimes I do my underarms twice a month, I think. Even if I see a little bit of growth there, I jump into it because I do wear sleeveless clothes quite often. I'm feeling a little bit breathless today, so please excuse me on that note. But yeah, just gently maneuvering this blade all over. It's just simple, it's easy. There's not much fuss to it. And just don't forget about this area here, because this really is where all the hair and the longer roos, like I said, sometimes just get not collected, but like, see, I already went once, but even when I'm going a second time, there's just a little baby hair जो जमा हो जाता है. When I say baby hair, this area also comes to my mind, but I will tell you that I don't do this. I used to do it in college with an epilator, when, like, you know, those brow epilators from Veet or whatever at the time were really cool and very in. I don't even think Veet existed actually at that time. I want to say some Chinese brand that had become available in India, and it was like the cool thing to do your brows. I landed up going through that phase. We know that weird phase, but I'm glad I got over it really quickly also, because like all my baby hair that could have become adult hair, I was just chopping it all off and not doing the right thing by my hair. So just want to give you a little bit of that learning curve note. Lots of learning curve notes I am giving you. I've been doing my own grooming like this for years now. Mind you, I'm turning 33 in a week from today. Upper lip I did recently, so I'm not so, like, I'm not going in to detail. Kuch nikal bhi nahi raha. So that's fine. I love what dermaplaning does to my skin. Just simple. And if you are very hairy or you have a lot of hair, my hair is very fine on my body, on my head as well, unfortunately. Then I would recommend you go like literally everywhere. Like, for example, I'm not really going here per se because I don't really need to. Like, there's no hair over there whatsoever. I have attempted before, but kuch aata hi nahi hai and kuch karta hi nahi hai. Like, it doesn't do anything for me over there. This is my main, you know, kind of zone that I really need to take note of. While we're talking about all this beauty glow up, I always like to remind you guys in these glow up videos, let's not forget to glow up on the inside. Be more patient, be a better listener, be a better friend, daughter, sister, girlfriend, wife, mom, whatever it is. The main roles in your life are, I think it's so important to try and take out some me time. I'm not vlogging that aspect, and I don't generally vlog that aspect, but when I wake up in the mornings, I love to have my phone-less, technology-less me time. I think there's one video I posted on my channel just last year, which was like the true blue what I do in the morning routine before I pick up the camera, and I can leave a link into that video for you down below as well. Literally, I like to just take time by myself, and I remember on that morning when I had to film that video, because like you guys always ask morning routine, like pre-filming, and because I wake up really early in the morning, I felt so weird having like my videographer Divyesh follow me around and film that for me, because I'm used to just being by myself typically at that time. But that morning we filmed everything, and typically when I vlog, wo morning routine khatam hone ke baad I go and pick up my vlog camera. So yeah, just a little reminder I feel like putting out there, that glowing up on the outside is fun and cool and great and la la la, but glowing up on the inside is truly what matters. As I turn 33, I have realized now more than ever that there is like no price is too big for inner peace. Cut out that bullshit, cut out the people that don't value you, cut out the nonsense. It's hard at first, but over a period of time, I've become a pro at, I don't want to say I've become a pro at cutting people out, but I think I've become a pro at valuing myself more than the hurt of cutting people out. By nature, I'm an oversensitive person. It is the biggest character flaw, to be honest. Like, I love too much, I give too much, and even though I don't give with a thing to get back, कहीं ना कहीं वो human चीज होती है कि यार थोड़ा तो वापस दे दो, 10% तो वापस मुझे प्यार दे दो. Like, I'm not saying go out of your way for me, like I chose to go out of my way for you, but thoda, I'm trying to reach out to you, I'm trying to pop out that olive branch, I'm trying to rebuild this. Nahi, bilkul nahi. Okay, then I'm out. Like, I'm one of those people who will really try and try and try, but once I give up, I truly give up. And that has been a huge part of my glow up in the last year, because up until last year, I was still feeling bad for the lost friendships or for the lost just connections in my life, obviously in the forms of friendships. But I think this year I truly came to a place, especially with everything that happened last year in my personal life, I truly got to see the people who were there for me in the lowest, emotionally, physically, mentally. My miscarriage was the toughest thing I've ever been through in my life. More than any silly breakup or any friend fight or friendship breakup. And I truly got to see the people who were there for me in my life. And I think that was a reality check that I got, that if a friend of mine sitting 7 seas across that samundar par is making so much of an effort to check in on me, and this friend of mine lives 5 minutes away, like, it's just one of those things that I was like, okay, this is my reality check. I need to be able to put myself first, value myself more, just honor and respect myself the most before anybody else. And that was a huge part of my glow up in the last year. Wow, I have really gone on an emotional talk in the middle of a beauty glow up video. Sorry, not sorry. I just like to be honest and candid with you guys with anything and everything I'm feeling. And my headspace. In fact, I've been wanting to film a self-care Sunday video one of these days. It's been a while since I filmed one of those series. If you don't know what that series is, if you're new to this channel, I'll leave a link into the self-care Sunday series down below as well. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, wait. On a beauty note, I have one last thing to share with you, which is to do with my feet. Now, I don't know how much of B-roll I'm going to insert over here, because God knows, putting up feet on the internet can have weird consequences. My God, people have some interesting kinks. I don't want to kink shame anybody, but let's just call it interesting and leave it there. I already did get myself a really nice pedicure and foot massage. I booked an Urban Clap massage. This was a rose pedicure that I got from the Urban Clap app. This is not sponsored, but if you watch my videos regularly, you know I'll end up going to that app quite often for these knick-knack type of spa salon treatments at home when I don't feel like stepping out. And honestly, I just want to say, look after those feet. I am guilty of forgetting to get myself a pedicure, and even though it is something that one would recommend you get once a month, I got mine after 2 months, which is really to say something. The last time I got a pedicure was on the 28th of April, a day after I came back from Rishikesh. I remember it so clearly because I needed that foot massage, and so I had booked both the services then as well. At that time I had booked the chocolate therapy, and then this time I booked the rose one. The chocolate one was definitely better, I want to say that. So in case you do go ahead and decide to use the same app I did, there's a little something for you. There's another little something for you. I hope you remember that there's giveaways in every single June upload, so participate in them. It is my birthday month, but I want to make sure you guys get return presents all through the month. With that, give me your honest thoughts on everything in this video, especially the hair bit. I do want to color my hair, but I also don't want to color my hair because I also don't know what to do with my hair, but I also feel like I need a new look. But I also feel like black is, it's so like natural, and it's giving volume, it's giving density, it's making my hair look thicker than it actually is because it's not thick. I hope you truly enjoyed it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to participate in the giveaway. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. जी हाँ, giveaway के महीने में मेरे replies थोड़े से कम हो जाएंगे because इतने सारे comments multiply हो जाते हैं आप सब लोग जो सिर्फ giveaways के टाइम पे comment करते हो. I see you. Comment regularly, please. It helps a girl out with the algo. That's just, you know, it is what it is. And also the reason I'm replying lesser through this particular month is because I know there's so many more entries, and if I see genuine comments, I am still replying to them. I love literally 5 or 6 or 7 times a day. I literally just sit and respond to things. So I just want to remind you that I love you the most, and I will see you very, very soon in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Mwah.